One of the things to me that has made the Gwinnett Coalition so strong is the fact that it's had good leadership. It's had good administrative leadership, and it's had support from the Gwinnett County Board of Commissioners. But the other thing that's made it unique is the volunteers. And the volunteers are not only passionate, but they're professional. They know what they're doing. They know what their goals are that is delivered from that administration. And I think that's what sets Gwinnett apart, even though we've had that rapid growth and the diversity that we've had in Gwinnett County, that together the coalition has built upon those strengths and has put us light years ahead of other counties, even other urbanized counties.
The Gwinnett Coalition for Health and Human Services has as one of its core values and techniques the forming of partnerships. That is a traditional basis of how we do things in Gwinnett, and I think it explains a great deal of the success of the coalition. One entity can't do it all, and there's no need to duplicate what others are doing. There's real power also in bringing together people with different perspectives to discuss issues, to come up with ideas about different ways to address those tough kinds of issues that the Gwinnett Coalition is involved with. I expect that those approaches that have done such a great job over the past 26 years are going to stand us in good stead going forward as well.
It has brought about more awareness of issues that are in Gwinnett that the average citizen in Gwinnett is not aware of, or they want to ignore. One in particular, homelessness. Most people think of Gwinnett as an affluent county, which it is, and homelessness doesn't exist. But listening to and attending a lot of GNLI and getting emails from Ms. Gerstein on homelessness in Gwinnett County, people are appalled as to the number of homeless people in Gwinnett County.
The Coalition's Child Sexual Abuse Prevention Committee has done incredible work in educating the community, especially on sexual abuse, child abuse, and human trafficking, which has been one of the hottest topics around, not just countywide, but also state and nationally.
Well, the Great Days of Service is the most visible manifestation of our great tradition of volunteerism in Gwinnett County. It is a great opportunity for businesses or other types of organization to plan group activities for their employees. We always have fabulous projects that people come up with to do or that organizations ask for help for. It just really highlights the level of volunteer activity that we have in Gwinnett County, not just on the days of great service, but every single day of the year. The Gwinnett Neighborhood Leadership Institute is a great program that the Gwinnett Coalition has run for 20 plus years now. It is one of those programs that gives a chance to participate in leadership program to individuals that might not have that opportunity otherwise. Really looking for grassroots leaders in neighborhood situations, smaller organizations. It's a great program, and we have some people who have honed their leadership skills through that program that are now serving Gwinnett County in fabulous ways. I can't say enough good things about that program.
The Gwinnett Veterans Resource Center serves a tremendous purpose in Gwinnett County as far as veterans, allowing them to better assimilate back into society and sharing with them what resources are available to them as they assimilate, and what resources are available to their families as they assimilate, to assist them with whatever they are facing, to make it more comfortable for them to assimilate back in society, and to offer them an opportunity through the Gwinnett County Veteran Resource Center to come back and volunteer and assist other veterans that are coming back. So it has served a great purpose.
Birth to 5 years are so important. And one of the things that we're trying to do now is really to reach out to parents. Many parents know what to do and do it well. There are other parents that need help, but all of us probably need to be reminded from time to time that no matter what our socioeconomic status is, there are some things we can do to really help prepare kids to be ready for kindergarten.
We have a healthy community, we have a prosperous community. So again, Gwinnett Coalition has raised the bar in making sure we understand the health disparity, the health needs of our community, and especially being able to cater that to our very diverse communities that we have in the state and in the county.
It's imperative that we have the roots, the foundation, the collaboration that we have through the Gwinnett Coalition, especially in these transitional times where healthcare is at the blink of an eye, transforming every single day. It's imperative that people in the community have the education, have the access to the knowledge to be able to navigate through such a changing, complicated healthcare system in the United States and in Georgia. So we need the Gwinnett Coalition. It's done a wonderful job previously, and in the future it has many avenues to go to be able to help Gwinnett citizens.
The job that Gwinnett Coalition has done for over 20 years has truly made an impact in our community. You know, from Ellen, her staff, hundreds of volunteers, if not thousands of volunteers throughout over 20 years, have made sure that Gwinnett County has been, and it is a great place to work, live, and play.
Without the Gwinnett Coalition, I think Gwinnett would be lost. Because through the coalition, it has brought about a better understanding of diversity. It has brought about a better understanding of culture, valuing cultural differences, and they drill that, they drill that, they drill that. No matter how different we are, when you sit down and talk to someone that's different from you, it's amazing how much more in common you have with that individual than you realize. And I think without the Gwinnett Coalition, we would not have that harmony that we enjoy now.
The coalition, though, can't do its work without having financial stability of its own. So it's critical that we provide the correct resources to the coalition and allow it to do its very important work of creating collaborative arrangements among organizations in the county.